Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Rocket Money and EveryDollar, two prominent budgeting apps. If you're aiming to take control of your finances, understanding the tools available is crucial. So let's explore these platforms in detail to help you determine which aligns best with your financial goals and which one actually helps you save more. We start with Rocket Money. Formerly known as Truebill, Rocket Money positions itself as a comprehensive financial management tool designed to help users save more and spend less. The platform offers features such as subscription tracking, bill negotiation, and budgeting tools. According to their website, they've assisted over 5 million members in saving more than $1 billion. The platform offers a suite of features aimed at simplifying money management, from tracking subscriptions to providing insight into spending habits. With a user-friendly interface, Rocket Money integrates various aspects of personal finance into a single, cohesive application. Now on to EveryDollar. Developed by Ramsey Solutions, EveryDollar is built around the zero-based budgeting method, ensuring every dollar you earn is assigned a specific purpose. The platform emphasizes intentional spending and financial planning. As they claim on their website, in their own words, they say, "No matter your situation, you can count on Ramsey Solutions for clear, no-nonsense advice to help you take the right next step. No stuffy jargon or get-rich-quick schemes here. Our tried-and-true principles are the fastest, right way to become a millionaire. With our life-changing products and educational content, you know how to make the best decisions for you and your family with confidence." Now let us talk about the main features of the platforms. First, Rocket Money. Subscription management. One of Rocket Money's standout features is its ability to identify and track all your subscriptions. It provides a clear overview of recurring charges, helping you stay on top of upcoming bills and avoid unnecessary expenses. Additionally, Rocket Money offers a service to cancel unwanted subscriptions on your behalf, saving you time and effort. Spending insights. The platform offers detailed breakdowns of your spending patterns, highlighting areas where you might cut back. By categorizing expenses, Rocket Money enables you to understand where your money is going and you can make informed financial decisions. Budgeting tools. Rocket Money allows users to set up personalized budgets, monitor their progress, or adjust as needed. The intuitive interface makes it easy to allocate funds to different categories and track adherence to your financial plan. Bill negotiation. An added perk is Rocket Money's bill negotiation service. The platform can negotiate lower rates on your behalf for various bills, potentially leading to significant savings over time. How about EveryDollar? Here are the key features. Zero-based budgeting system. EveryDollar follows zero-based budgeting, meaning every dollar you earn is assigned a specific purpose, whether it's for expenses, savings, or debt repayment. This helps users track their income and expenses with intentionality. User-friendly budgeting interface. The platform provides an intuitive interface where users can create, customize, and adjust their budgets for different categories such as groceries, utilities, rent, entertainment, and savings. Monthly budget planning. EveryDollar encourages users to create a monthly budget at the start of each month. It allows users to input their expected income and allocate funds accordingly to ensure they stick to their financial plan. Manual expense tracking. In the free version, users manually enter transactions to track their expenses. This helps build financial awareness but may require more effort compared to automatic syncing. Automatic bank transactions. With EveryDollar Premium, users can connect their bank accounts to the app. Transactions are automatically imported and categorized, making it easier to keep track of spending without manual inputs. Debt payoff tracking. The platform provides tools to track debt payments, including progress tracking and goal setting. Users can allocate extra funds toward paying off debts and monitor their progress over time. Now let us talk about the pricing. Rocket Money operates on a freemium model. While many of its core features are available for free, Certain premium services like the bill negotiation and the subscription cancellation assistance may come with associated fees. The platform offers a premium subscription that unlocks additional features and provides a more comprehensive financial management experience. How about EveryDollar? EveryDollar also offers both free and premium versions. The free version provides a solid budgeting experience that allows users to manually create and track their budgets. You can see the button Create Your Free Account in multiple places on the website. However, the premium version, which includes features like bank connectivity, automatic transaction importing, and advanced reporting, is available for a fee. You will need to sign up on EveryDollar to get the pricing. What are the pros and cons of using Rocket Money and EveryDollar? We start with Rocket Money. First, the pros. User-friendly interface, comprehensive subscription management, proactive bill negotiation. How about the pros of EveryDollar? Emphasis on zero-based budgeting promotes intentional spending, user-friendly and intuitive interface, and strong educational resources from Ramsey Solutions. How about the cons? Limited investment tools and premium features that come at a cost. And for EveryDollar, the free version lacks bank connectivity, requiring manual transaction entry, and there are premium features that come at a higher cost compared to some other budgeting apps. In conclusion though, both Rocket Money and EveryDollar offer valuable tools for managing your finances. Rocket Money excels in subscription management and offers bill negotiation services, which can be beneficial if you have multiple recurring expenses. However, the fees that are associated with these services can add up. EveryDollar, on the other hand, focuses on the zero-based budgeting method, encouraging users to assign every dollar a purpose, which can lead to more intentional spending and saving habits. Ultimately though, the choice between the two depends on your personal financial goals and preferences. If you're looking to identify and manage subscription and are open to paying for bill negotiation services, Rocket Money might be suitable. However, if you prefer a structured budgeting approach that emphasizes intentional spending, EveryDollar could be the better fit. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Pocket Guard, YNAB, and Good Budget. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.